Here are the best things to improve your photography. First up is a CPL filter. A CPL filter is really good to get anti-glare. A CPL filter will help you minimize reflection and glare. So let's say we're looking through a glass for a building or a windshield. That's going to help you minimize the glare and you'll be able to see through it much better. So you won't have all these random reflections and a lot of stuff that's coming in the way of the shot that you want to get. And you'll be able to get that shot that you need through glass or whatever certain surface it is. Number 2 is an ND filter. An ND filter will allow you to have your settings exactly the same, but still make your photo darker. And this is crucial because if you're in harsh sunlight or any kind of harsh light, it'll ruin your photo sometimes. And your camera can only go so low to the point where you may not be able to do anything about it. So it will allow you to preserve your shadows, highlights, and still get the shot that you need without really having to change your environment or really change your camera. Before we continue with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Anyway, let's get right back into the video. Now, another one that a lot of people don't think about is an effect filter. Now, some of these can be like the star filters that you see and where you're looking at a light and that just turns into a star shape, or certain things where it's like a kaleidoscope effect. Those things will help improve your photography because you'll get some cool ideas and you'll be able to get those shots for concerts, for certain projects that you get. And sure, you can do that in Photoshop, but those being done live, especially when you can show that to a client right then and there, that'll be really cool to see, and that'll give you a lot of creative ideas to allow you to improve your photography. Now, I mentioned this in another video, but one other thing that'll really help your photography, using gear that you would typically not use. So if you can use a film camera, if you can use an old digital camera, these things will allow you to get your best shots, because if you can do it with that kind of equipment, then being able to get the best equipment and take shots like that will really help you be more creative and really show what you can do. Like I said, you can always get the best stuff, but if you can't work with stuff that's out of your comfort zone, then you're not going to be developing as a creative and as a person as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. And if you want to see any more of my videos, feel free to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, it'll be right over here. Just follow me up and I'd love to interact with some of you. Peace out. Bye.